Hello everyone, my name is Meet Jain and I'm an equity research analyst at Algebra Securities. Today I'm going to discuss with you a company which commands monopoly in its area of operations. This company earns a PAT margin of around 65%, has a ROE, ROCE of around 42 and 52% respectively. The company is also debt-free, earning a free cash flow of around rupees 150 crores. The company I'm going to discuss is Indian Energy Exchange, also known as IEX. IEX is India's largest power exchange, trading millions of units of power through its exchange. IEX accounts for around 95% of the total spot market volume, offering its customers flexibility in procuring power through a wide range of products such as day ahead market, term ahead market, real time markets, and green term ahead markets. What makes IEX a market leader is its superior technological know how and a strong customer network. The Q3 FY21 was the best quarter in the company's history, registering highest ever quarterly volumes. The volumes on the IEX platform is expected to increase multi-fold going forward with the launch of newer products, along with government's plans to shift the entire country's power transactions to exchange platform. Currently, Indian spot market accounts for only 6% of the total power generations, whereas the spot market contribution in the developed countries is more than 50%. With the successful implementation of this plan, the share of spot market in India is also expected to increase significantly. IEX earns a transaction fees of around 2 paisa per unit per side, along with annual fees and subscription fees. The transaction fee to be charged by the exchanges is regulated by the Central Electricity Regulatory Commission (CERC), and no exchange has control over it. This is one of the major risks which all the exchanges face. IEX has also forayed into Indian gas market through the launch of its wholly owned subsidiary Indian Gas Exchange. IGX has recently secured authorization from the Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board to operate a gas exchange with a period of around 25 years. This will reaffirm IGX's commitment to provide neutral, transparent price discovery platform and nurture the gas market of the country. The authorization from the board makes IGX India's first regulated gas exchange. Looking at all the factors, we recommend a buy on IEX owing to its strong financial and healthy fundamentals, huge opportunity size, and monopolistic business environment. Thank you everyone for listening in.